Okay, Bran, I could not get my live video to stream from out here in the garden, but this is my Ginko tree. It's not as far budded out as yours, and it's certainly a lot smaller. But this is a male, like I told you. And even though I know the issues with the females, I am still wanting a female. Now, my taller tree, which is right here, what you're looking at here is an offshoot. The main tree that I planted right here, as you can see, has not even budded out yet. So I planted this in an area out here that is known as the chicken garden. And the reason I did that is because I know about the female and the problems with the female. And as far as the smell and the mess and all of that. And I decided I was just going to let my chickens deal with that. So I'm sorry that the video is not clearer. But anyway, there we go.